Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's butterfly chicken or spatchcock chicken cooked in the Ninja Foodi Grill. The ingredients are in the recipe box below. It's very easy to do. We'll be serving it with some potatoes, some asparagus and some fresh cob corn, all of which are going to be cooked in the Ninja Foodi Grill. I've just got some oil here. I'm going to add some vegetable salt to that. And this is going to be a brush. We're not using a dry rub, we're just using a brush. And we're going to paint our vegetables and our chicken with it. Bit of paprika, freshly cracked pepper. And I've got a spice grinder that's got Himalayan salt, chili and garlic in a spice grinder. That'll get lots of flavour and just a little hint of spice. Okay, we're just going to turn our Ninja Foodi Grill onto 260 degrees and cook it for about 10 minutes and then turn it over and cook it for another 10 minutes. So we'll give our time 20 minutes and turn it on. Once it comes to temperature, it will ask you to add the food. In that time, I will have butterflied our chicken. So just grab your chicken. We're going to run down the side and take these sections of the bone out. They're good for soup or stews or stock. Or if you've got a little dog who likes eating raw chicken, right down to the end. Okay, then take the parson's nose or pope's nose out. And the neck, plenty of flavour in there. Get your chicken, turn it over and press down. Okay, now we just want to flatten that out and make sure it's broken in the middle. Okay, now you'll see that it'll flatten out really easily. We're going to brush that well with our spicy oil. We'll give it a lovely coating, stop it from drying out and flavour it at the same time. We're going to use the same set of flavouring for our potatoes and our corn. Actually, I'll put a bit of butter on the corn because that's always nice, isn't it? Just tip it over. Use up all of this flavoured oil because I don't want to be brushing the raw chicken juice over the vegetables, so it's not going to be a continual basting situation. Okay, time to add our chicken now. I'm going to just drop it in meat side down. You hear it sizzling. Just going to brush our potatoes with this extra oil. If they can go in there now because I'm going to be taking them out when they're cooked and just putting them to one side, popping them back in for a final crisp up while we do our asparagus and our corn. So just pop those in there. I'm using it on the grill because I want to have some lovely grill marks on it. Okay, and close the lid. Okay, after 10 minutes, we're just going to turn it over. You can see how lovely and golden it is. Turn our tatties over as well. Any of our remaining oil can go on there as well to keep it nice and moist. Okay, another 10 minutes. Okay, you can see it's got some gorgeous colour on it. We're just going to turn it over one more time, crisp up the other side again and take it out. We're leaving it in there for another 5 minutes and then we're going to add our corn and our asparagus. Okay, in that 5 minutes I've just melted some butter and I'm going to brush our corn liberally with that and our asparagus, being careful to well grease the tips of the asparagus because they're the ones that are going to burn the quickest. After 5 minutes we're going to take our chicken out and rest it while we throw our other vegetables in and give them another 10 minutes. Okay, after the remaining 5 minutes we're just going to fetch our chicken out. It's not a particularly large chicken. The potatoes are lovely and crispy. It's in with our corn now. It's been well buttered with our asparagus and give that another 10 minutes. Basting the corn and the asparagus from time to time so that it doesn't dry out. Okay. 10 minutes at 260 degrees. Now I've just got a bread roll here. I've just taken the potatoes out, popped a bit of butter and grated cheese on top of those, and they're just going to crust up as well. Okay, 10 minutes is up. Our cheesy bread is nice and crusty. We've got a gorgeous piece of roasted corn here and some asparagus. And there you have it, Cheekyricho Cookings. Turn that off. There's been no smoke. It's roasted to perfection. And there you have Cheekyricho Cookings butterfly chicken cooked in the Ninja Foodi Grill. Thanks for watching. I will show you how lovely and moist and tender this chicken is. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Thanks for watching.